Today, my friend Dave and I are running PipeClay Road in the Port Macquarie Hastings region of New South Wales. The road starts near Beechwood and finishes at Kindy to the west and is approximately 45 kilometres long. It traverses forested hills, farmland and river valleys, offering a mix of sealed and unsealed sections and wonderful scenic outlooks. The road closely follows the north side of the Hastings River, especially near Kindy, which is known for its historic suspension bridge built in 1936. The area is also rich in birdlife, which is great for a bird photographer like me, but that's for another time. Quick stop, we couldn't resist saying good day to these locals. They were very friendly, perhaps they thought we had food. There are cars on this road, so it's always a good idea to stay to the left. Well, unless you're filming. This mountain section is about 2/3 along the way to Kindy. There are some very nice scenic glimpses between the trees. And here it is, the Kindy Bridge, built in the 1930s, still holding strong. It's a bit narrow, a bit creaky, but it's magic.